Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? So today I thought that I will deal with some FAQs regarding candidates who are preparing for the IELTS exam and who are not native speakers of the English language. Now, what I will do is that I will deal with the challenges that are faced in each module, keeping in mind that you are not a native speaker of the English language. Now, I belong to Pakistan, and our mother tongue, or our regional, or let's say our national language, is Urdu. Now, besides Urdu, most of us know our regional languages as well, our provincial languages, which may be Punjabi, Sindhi, or any other language. And what happens is that because we are bilingual, in fact, we are speaking maybe 3 to 4 languages besides English, we tend to let slip some other word while we are speaking, because in our everyday life we do not speak purely English. We speak a combination of Urdu or an English, and maybe even any other language that we are used to speaking inside our homes and also outside our homes, in businesses and so on. So the greatest challenge for any person whose native language is not English is that occasional slip of another word, of another expression. Now that will bring down your band score because obviously you haven't spoken in English. Now, how to train yourself, how to train your mind not to let those slips happen? I would recommend that we should start speaking in English as much as we can when we are preparing for our IELTS exam. This would include speaking amongst your friends, amongst your co-workers, amongst your family members, and also start thinking in English. A lot of us think in another language and we translate our thoughts into English. If you start thinking in English, then those slips will become almost, they will disappear altogether. However, if that slip occurs, you can backtrack, but keep in mind that your voice is being recorded and you will lose some points for that. So it's going to be extremely detrimental if you let those slips occur. So train your mind to think in English. Start speaking in English as much as you can with your family, with your friends, with your co-workers. Maybe you can partner with a friend and tell that friend that, from now on, I'll only be speaking in English because I need to prepare for an IELTS exam, and I need to give my IELTS exam very soon. So if that person can help you make your speaking better, then that would help a lot in the long run. Besides that, start watching programs in English, right? And when I say that, I don't mean movies, because movies have a lot of colloquial expressions. Movies have a lot of colloquial, words. So movies may be detrimental. Movies may train you to speak English that is too casual, too informal, and that will not help at all. That will, in fact, counteract what you're trying to do. So maybe documentaries. There's some YouTubers out there that are doing a really good job in terms of, they don't talk about English. They're not doing grammar and sentence structure, but they're just dealing with everyday issues and everyday topics, but they're doing it in a very professional manner. So you can pick out a YouTuber that you will like to listen to, you like to watch, and probably just watch them on a daily basis. Keep watching them, keep listening to them, and that will help you, learn new expressions, learn new words, also how to speak in a different situations. A formal situation will require a different language. An informal situation will require a different kind of, expression. So that's how you will improve your speaking. And also, the greatest challenge, like I said, faced by a non-native speaker is those slips of the tongue. You need to train yourself not to, start speaking in a different language. Obviously, you won't speak entire conversations, but that slip of the tongue may cost you. So good luck with your IELTS. Keep preparing. Use these videos to help you, because that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to make these videos to help you. And good luck. Thank you. Take care.